In today's digital age, artificial intelligence holds the key to unlocking rapid financial growth. By harnessing the potential of AI, one can unlock a myriad of opportunities to generate income quickly and efficiently. In this video, we will reveal 6 AI secrets that can help you to make money fast. From automated trading to predictive analytics, these insights will empower you to leverage AI effectively and accelerate your path to financial success. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get regular updates. Let's get started. Number 1. Automated trading bots. One of the most lucrative applications of AI is in automated trading. AI-powered trading bots can analyze market trends and execute trades at lightning speed, far surpassing human capabilities. These bots use complex algorithms and machine learning models to predict price movements and make buy or sell decisions. For example, platforms like MetaTrader and QuantConnect allow users to create and deploy trading bots for various markets, including stocks, forex, and cryptocurrencies. These bots can operate 24/7, taking advantage of market opportunities even when you are asleep. By eliminating emotional biases and making data-driven decisions, AI trading bots can significantly enhance your trading performance and profitability. Automated trading bots have several advantages. First, they can process vast amounts of data in real time, enabling them to react swiftly to market changes. Second, they can backtest trading strategies on historical data, helping traders refine their approaches before deploying them in live markets. Finally, these bots can be customized to follow specific rules and risk parameters, ensuring that trades align with your investment goals and risk tolerance. However, it's essential to note that while AI trading bots can offer substantial benefits, they are not without risks. Market conditions can change rapidly, and even the most sophisticated algorithms can sometimes make incorrect predictions. Therefore, it's crucial to monitor your bots regularly and adjust their parameters as needed to ensure optimal performance. Number 2. AI-powered content creation. Creating high-quality content consistently can be time-consuming and challenging, especially for businesses looking to maintain an active online presence. AI tools like GPT-4, developed by OpenAI, can generate engaging articles, blog posts, and social media content in a matter of seconds. These tools can analyze existing content, understand the target audience, and produce text that mimics human writing styles. Jasper, formerly Jarvis, is another popular AI content creation tool that helps marketers, bloggers, and businesses generate compelling content quickly. By leveraging these tools, you can save time and focus on other aspects of your business while ensuring a steady flow of fresh, relevant content to attract and engage your audience. AI-powered content creation tools have revolutionized the way content is produced. They can generate ideas, create drafts, and even optimize content for search engines, ensuring that your posts rank higher on search results. This can drive more organic traffic to your website, increasing your chances of converting visitors into customers. Moreover, these tools can help maintain consistency in your content output. For businesses, consistency is key to building a loyal audience and establishing authority in their niche. By using AI to automate content creation, businesses can maintain a regular posting schedule without overwhelming their human writers, leading to sustained audience engagement and higher conversion rates. Number 3. Personalized marketing campaigns. AI has revolutionized the marketing industry by enabling highly personalized and targeted campaigns. AI tools can analyze vast amounts of data to understand consumer behavior, preferences, and purchasing patterns. This data can then be used to create personalized marketing messages that resonate with individual customers. Platforms like HubSpot and Salesforce offer AI-powered marketing solutions that can segment your audience, predict customer needs, and deliver personalized content across various channels. By using AI to tailor your marketing efforts, you can improve customer engagement, increase conversion rates, and ultimately drive more sales. Personalized marketing campaigns are more effective because they address the unique needs and preferences of each customer. AI can help businesses create detailed customer profiles, segment their audience into smaller, more targeted groups, and craft messages that are relevant to each segment. This level of personalization can significantly enhance customer experience, leading to higher satisfaction and loyalty. Additionally, AI can optimize the timing and delivery of marketing messages. For instance, AI algorithms can determine the best times to send emails or push notifications based on individual customer behavior, increasing the likelihood of engagement. By continuously learning from customer interactions, AI tools can refine marketing strategies over time, ensuring that your campaigns remain effective and relevant. Number 4. AI in e-commerce, chatbots, and recommendation engines. In the e-commerce sector, AI has become indispensable for enhancing customer experience and driving sales. AI-powered chatbots, like those provided by Intercom and Drift, can handle customer inquiries, provide product recommendations, and even assist with transactions. These chatbots are available 24/7, ensuring that customers receive timely assistance, which can lead to higher satisfaction and increased sales. Another significant AI application in e-commerce is recommendation engines. These engines analyze customer data, such as browsing history and past purchases, to suggest products that customers are likely to buy. Amazon and Netflix are prime examples of companies that use AI recommendation engines to boost sales and engagement. By implementing AI chatbots and recommendation engines, e-commerce businesses can provide a personalized shopping experience, reduce cart abandonment, and increase revenue. AI chatbots are not only efficient but also cost-effective. They can handle multiple customer interactions simultaneously, reducing the need for a large customer support team. Additionally, chatbots can collect valuable customer data during interactions, providing insights into customer preferences and pain points. This data can be used to improve products and services, leading to better customer satisfaction and increased sales. Recommendation engines play a crucial role in increasing average order values. They also enhance customer experience by making shopping more convenient and enjoyable. When customers feel understood and catered to, they are more likely to return, boosting long-term loyalty and revenue. Number 5. AI-driven data analysis. Data is a valuable asset for any business, but analyzing it can be overwhelming without the right tools. AI-driven data analysis tools can process large data sets quickly and uncover insights that might be missed by human analysts. These tools use machine learning algorithms to identify patterns, trends, and correlations in data, helping businesses make informed decisions. Tools like Tableau and Microsoft Power BI incorporate AI capabilities to enhance data visualization and analysis. They can provide predictive analytics, which forecast future trends based on historical data. By leveraging AI-driven data analysis, businesses can optimize operations, identify new opportunities, and stay ahead of the competition, ultimately leading to increased profitability. AI-driven data analysis can transform raw data into actionable insights. For example, AI can analyze customer feedback from multiple sources, such as social media, reviews, and surveys to identify common themes and sentiments. This can help businesses understand customer satisfaction levels and identify areas for improvement. Furthermore, AI can enhance supply chain management by predicting demand and optimizing inventory levels. By analyzing historical sales data and external factors like seasonality and market trends, AI can forecast future demand accurately. This allows businesses to manage their inventory more effectively, reducing costs and minimizing the risk of stockouts or overstocking. AI-driven data analysis also plays a vital role in fraud detection. Financial institutions and e-commerce platforms use AI to monitor transactions in real time and identify suspicious activities. Number 6. AI for automating repetitive tasks. Many businesses spend a significant amount of time on repetitive tasks that could be automated. AI-powered automation tools can handle tasks such as data entry, scheduling, customer service, and more, freeing up valuable time for employees to focus on more strategic activities. For instance, UiPath and Automation Anywhere are popular robotic process automation (RPA) tools that use AI to automate routine tasks. These tools can integrate with various business applications and workflows, streamlining processes and reducing operational costs. By adopting AI-driven automation, businesses can improve efficiency, reduce errors, and save money, contributing to faster revenue growth. AI-powered automation can transform business operations by increasing productivity and efficiency. For example, in the finance sector, AI can automate invoice processing, expense management, and financial reporting. This not only speeds up these processes, but also reduces the risk of human errors, ensuring greater accuracy and compliance. In the HR department, AI can automate recruitment processes such as resume screening and interview scheduling. This allows HR professionals to focus on more strategic tasks, such as employee engagement and development. AI can also assist in onboarding new employees by providing them with necessary information and training materials, ensuring a smooth and efficient onboarding experience. Moreover, AI-powered automation can enhance customer service by automating responses to common inquiries and processing routine requests. This allows customer service representatives to handle more complex issues, improving overall service quality and customer satisfaction. That's all for now. If you have any questions regarding the video, you can ask in the comments section. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing updates. Thank you.